Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide WhatsApp status from specific contacts. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp allows you to share status updates that disappear after 24 hours. It's nearly identical to the stories you see on Instagram, Snapchat, and many other social platforms. Sometimes, however, your story might get viewed by someone who you wish didn't see it. To avoid this, the app lets you hide your status from select individuals in your contact list, so they can't see when you've uploaded a new status update. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can go to up right corner here, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. You can tap on privacy. You can tap on status here. Now you can choose my contact accept. Here you can choose some contacts, some specific contacts that you want to hide your WhatsApp status from. You can choose more than one. You can choose like three, as much as you need. After you select the specific contact, you can tap on checklist here. And you can go back, and now you can make your story on WhatsApp. And your WhatsApp, that selected contacts can't see your status updates on your WhatsApp. So that is how to hide your WhatsApp status from specific contacts. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.